Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss unit number 5, that is CVP analysis, theory explanation of long of the subject AFM, that is accounting for management. So in this unit along with the problematic you should learn theory also. Okay, sometimes two questions they may ask theory, one problematic also they may ask for your final examinations. Okay, so that's why give preference to theory question from this unit along with the problematic also. Okay, so CVP analysis is the topic. Compulsory you will get the question related to the CVP analysis. So basically you need to understand what is this CVP analysis. CVP is nothing but cost, volume, profit. Okay, C is for cost, V is for volume, P is for profit. This cost, volume, profit, it is a technique ma. Okay, what it will do, it is a technique which is used for studying relationship between that exist between cost, volume and profit. Cost, volume and profit, out of these three whatever the relationship are there, that it will study, that is called CVP analysis. Analysis is nothing but study. Okay, profit organization depends on large number of factors. If in an organization, if a profit is getting, means it is dependent on various factors. No, the most important factor is cost of the manufacturer, volume of sales and selling prices of the product. Okay, then only you will able to get the profits. Means if a product which is costing for you 1000 rupees, you have sold it for 1500. Okay, the remaining 500 will be your profit. Means cost, how much the volume of sales you have done and what is the profit you are getting. Okay, so that is the important tool for your profit planning. So CVP analysis is the important tool for your profit planning. Then what are the objectives? Why these objectives is nothing but CVP will be helpful for you all to fix the prices of a product. Okay, when you get to know the total cost of a product, then you will automatically fix the prices. To manufacture this pen, I have costed it for 5 rupees. I need to sell this pen for more than 5 rupees only. No, for that purpose selling of prices, for fixing it, it will be helpful. So it will helpful for the profit planning also. It will helpful for you to understand the break even point, where you will get break even point in an organization. That is very much important. For that also this will be useful. So like that there are different objectives you are having ma. Then what are the assumptions? Assumptions is nothing but rules. Okay, so whatever the costs are there in an organization, it is divided into fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost is nothing but the expenses whatever you are having in an organization are fixed. Variable cost means it is changes every month. Okay, so that is the first assumption. Next one, selling price remains same. Whatever the selling price of a product is there, that will be constant only. Okay, the number of units whatever you have produced will be sold at one and the same. Okay, if you have produced 1000 products will get sold only. Okay, so the both total revenues and total cost whatever you are having in an organization will be considered as a linear function of output. Okay, so these are the various assumptions of the CVP analysis. Sometimes they may ask CVP analysis for 2 marks also. Okay, next important question you are having, break even analysis. Break even analysis or break even point is one and the same. What is this break even analysis? Is nothing but BEP. What is this BEP? Means in an organization where there is a no profit and no loss, that is said to be break even point. Break even point should be adapted by every organization. Every organization will helpful you to understand their break even point. For example, you have invested 10,000 rupees. Okay, that is break even point. You need to sell, you have sold 10,000 rupees. goods worth. So you have to produce 100 goods, you have got a expense of 10,000 ma. Okay, you have sold some goods for some amount, the amount you have get for is 10,000, means 10,000 expenses, 10,000 income is equal, means it is nothing but there is no profit, no loss. Okay, so that is the break even point. Okay, simple diagram you need to draw it ma. So this is the diagram you are having, see here I can draw it like rough work also. So this is the income, this is the expenses. So 10,000 expenses you are getting, 10,000 income you are getting. So this point is called break even point, this point is called break even point. The above whatever you are getting, it will become profit. If you are getting below 10,000 means it is called loss. So like that the diagram you will have, you need to understand it. Okay, then what are the assumptions of break even point you are having? Assumptions is nothing but rules, means just now we have discussed about the CVP analysis, no, the same assumptions you can write it over here, the same assumptions. Selling price will be remain same, it will be divided into fixed and variable cost. Okay, there is only one product. So like that the same assumptions or whatever is there for CVP, you can include that points in BEP also. So that's why whatever I am saying is nothing but just attempt the theory questions and try to write the problematic or theory answers by your own, it will be not be an issue. Okay, then what are the advantages of break even analysis? For this BEP, it will helpful for you to understand the business organization, it will helpful for you to understand the minimum whatever you are having this stage. Okay, so it will help you to understand the cost of the business, whatever the cost you are having in a business, it will be helpful for them also. So like that there are various advantages of break even analysis. Okay, then coming back to the disadvantages, it is a time taking process, sometimes it may give false information. Okay, it is just assumed, just we are assuming it, this is not a final solution, no ma. So it is just an assumption. Next one you are having, what is CVP analysis? State the managerial uses and limitations of CVP analysis. CVP analysis we have already learnt. Then what is this managerial uses of break even point? Uses is nothing but again advantages only, no, just now we have discussed, it will helpful for your decision making, it will fix the prices, it will understand the whatever the cost you are having in an organization. Like that there are all the managerial uses. Disadvantage is nothing but it will not give accurate results, sometimes it will run only for short term period, it is not for long term period, right? So in general whatever we are having, that only you need to write it and represent your answers, that's it. These are the two theory questions whatever we are having in the unit number 5. Just prepare this theory question thoroughly along with the CVP analysis. Just now whatever I have uploaded in our channel problematic, that only you prepare it. Okay ma, all the very best for your examination and all the very best for your preparation. If you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.